What are you putting in?
Something radical. What are you saying? Like, you gonna switch? It's like backside out, backside girl. You can totally. And that's why I noticed that. Like, you ain't be doing it, dude. I see him do shit switch and I can't tell. Still.
He doesn't do it, Tobin does it. Tobin does it.
Yeah.
Tobin captures it. Why, dude?
He has something to do with it.
Not on this. He did the opening.
Oh, yeah.
He did something like a song that he mixed in there, the music, but he didn't. It's not in here. That's a crazy one. Yeah.
What?
Justin. You know that?
Any three got ups? Any three got a dial in his hand? Little Stevie. Why you wanna film Tri-State? No, I like the green, like right there, like, bye. Ain't creating white. Like.
Something else.
You want me to stay?
This is a cheap ass nail file, dude. Nail clipper. Stay. Buy brand new stuff for me though. Not that I need to sell it to you, but I just
I have brand new trucks, brand new wheels,
20 boards.
and 20 boards.
See somebody wants to buy a board, like let me know.
I saw that.
Sticker.
Fill my flat butt.
What?
See, if you go hungry, your butt gets flat, so never go hungry.
It's crazy, isn't it?
I think she bought a butt from downtown. Still out take care of her. Like that, right? This boy belongs to that dread right there. I do King Slasher right there. That dude slash 180 50s, like slash 185 old. That's dope. My life is fully working.